I bring you guys a little evening POV drive for the boys and the girls, if any girls watch, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, just actually today we did an oil change on the 440,000. It was way overdue. I know last video I showed you guys that I had like 1,000 miles left, but right now car's all good, oil's replaced. I need to do the transmission soon, and then a couple more things that I got coming for the 440,000. You guys already know. I already told you guys that I've been trying to get a steering wheel, so that's in the works right now. Steering wheel for the POVs are getting a little crazy. It's gonna look fire, bro, so can't wait for that. And yeah, maybe a wrap soon. A couple things, man. We working, boys. I'm starving though, bro. I am so hungry, it's kind of crazy. I'm thinking if I should get some Chick-fil-A. No, not Chick-fil-A, Shake Shack again. But I don't know, bro. Last time that was type expensive, but it was so good, bro. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, by the time you guys tell me, probably gonna already have eaten. But hey, if you guys didn't know, it was my birthday yesterday. So actually it'll be 2 days before you guys see this video. Wait, what's today? Hold on. What's today, bro? Today's the 12th, right? And my birthday was on the 11th. When you guys see this video, it's gonna be the 13th. So yeah, say happy birthday to me in the comments right now. Go crazy with the happy birthdays. I appreciate it. And yeah, I didn't really do much though. I had to work. I was working all day, so I didn't really get to do anything. Thinking this weekend we're gonna do a little something, nothing crazy, but a little something, you know. And that's pretty much gonna be it. I mean, I work a lot and just doing my thing, bro. So if you guys are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man, for your boy. You guys have been doing really good with that stuff, and I appreciate you guys every single time, bro. So thank you guys. But right now, first things first, I need to get some food. I think I'm gonna go get one of them burgers again, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, that thing sounds so fire, bro, with some fries and a drink. Yeah, I might have to, bro. I might have to drop that 20 bomb on it, bro. One thing I can say though, Shake Shack is way too expensive for a burger, bro. 20 bucks, bro, just for a burger and fries and a drink? That's OD, you know? And it's not like it fills me up crazy, but it's just so good, and I'm just so hungry. I might have to do it. Go ahead and I gotta come over here, my boy. Thanks, my heart. I gotta cut over here some more. Oh, now we're not waiting for that light. It's nice though. It was a super nice day today. Practice, the sun wasn't like beaming too hot, so it was like perfect weather for baseball, if I'm being honest with you guys. Literally like perfect. So gotta put on the seatbelt. I almost forgot, boys. Especially with my windows down. Cops better be looking in here. Hey, this guy got that little high beams on. Trying to blind me. Way out. Little tunnel for y'all. Oh, that's a back out. That wind feels nice. Let's do red so it matches with the, not that red. I need red, man. Gotta go through so many colors to get to the one I want. Oh, there's so many of them. Is that red? Yeah, we're gonna keep this one. Red on red. Everything's red today. Red on red. This is a nice little area over here, bro. Wherever this is. Nah, my stomach is killing me. I don't even know if Shake Shack is open, bro. Let me see, Shake Shack. See what time they even close at. Shake Shack. Shake Shack. They close at 10. Alright, we got time. Either Shake Shack or Chipotle. Damn, I don't know. I mean, the price is about the same. I'm just trying to think which one will fill me up more. I don't think either really do, but... JD was outside today, bro. JD we went to the gym today. The 435,000 was outside. I haven't seen that car in such a long time, but he's getting it back in good health, bro. He's doing a lot of stuff little by little to it, and the car's coming back to, like, you know, good. Right now it's kind of quiet though. He just fixed the exhaust and stuff. He had like an exhaust leak, so he was doing a lot of that. He got a couple more things, but the car is getting a lot better too. It's nice. I'm happy for him though, cause my boy be struggling, bro. He be leaving that car in the shop for forever, or not leaving it, but like the people just take mad long to work on it. These pops going crazy though. What's up all this little traffic though? It's literally 7:22 right now. People should be home, bro. Oh my gosh, now we got the light. I could have made it low key. I just don't know this area like that, but I definitely could have made it. I don't know if I could turn around and right, but we are going to. Traffic over here too, bro. What's up? Damn, bro. That thing a little crazy. Thank you, appreciate you, arigato. Nah, I'm so hungry, bro. Holy moly. Now I'm thinking, should I just get like pizza? Right? Because I think pizza fills me up way more and it's a lot cheaper. I could get like 3-4 pizzas that would last me like a whole week versus just one meal for the same price. And it's in the same area. I just go to the supermarket. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that, to be honest. Let's be smart about it. Let's not be happy for 30 seconds and let's be happy for 4 days. How about that? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Pizza does take longer to cook, but I think it's just a better a smarter decision by me if I do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, bro. Let's put this up a little bit because these cars on the other side are going crazy. Tunnel? Let them know we here. Do you guys like the red? What's your favorite color of like the lights? I usually rock either blue, purple. I rarely ever rock red, but right now just to kind of go with the sport display color, I just picked red. Oh yeah, I got it here too. Imagine now if we had the steering wheel too. Oof, tough. Yeah, I'm so hungry, bro. Are you guys ready for COD, bro? You guys play Call of Duty? Cause I'm getting that game, right? I'm thinking of streaming here and there, but I don't know. I'm thinking of streaming just for fun, to be honest. Not to like, you know, go crazy with it, but just for fun. I'm thinking about it on there when COD comes out. Either COD or what's the other game that it's COD and oh, there's this racing game that should be out actually now, but I've heard it looks nice, but I've heard there's some like stuff wrong with it, so I'm low-key kind of waiting for it to they fix everything and then get it. I don't want to get it when it's all like all messed up. I forgot the name of the game though. It's some new car game coming out. I should be out by now, at least a beta. Damn, these streets is awful, but yeah, I'm gonna look into it today. I'm gonna see if it's out. If it's out, I'm probably gonna get it and play, bro. I've been waiting for that game. I've been waiting for 2 games, Call of Duty and that car game, just because I want a car game. I thought about 2K, but 2K is it's bad, bro. 2K is no good. I'm not getting no more 2K games, bro. Like, they just keep going downhill with 2K, bro. Everybody just, yeah, no, I'm not getting no 2K. I'd rather get Call of Duty when it comes out. I feel not as many people play 2K anymore. Car's ready to go after a new oil change, bruh. Swerving, why you lose a permit? Not even worse, thanks. Oof. Well, I should take probably the next exit, huh? These streets are terrible, bro. I think it's smart if I take this exit just to go to the supermarket. Yes, sir. Kimball. Oh my gosh. like this was smart. Woo! Oh, battery. Now we go in here. Guy doing, bro? You gonna turn or not? Just like that. I don't know how this mall is always packed, bro. Like, what do you guys be doing at the mall, bro? Like on a weekday? Like, how is it so packed? Is this like a hangout spot for some people? Because I feel like this thing is always packed, like every day, no matter what day it is. Nah, my son needs some new brakes. That thing is screaming. Go, 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 do it, do it. There we go. Everybody else gotta wait. I ain't gonna lie, bro, this Target, it be having everybody, bro. That's probably the one Target that has like the most people ever. Oh, let me let the parents go first, man. Let me be a nice guy. Be a nice guy for once. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna just whoop whoop. I'm cutting that whole thing across. Whoop whoop. And I'm gonna go in here. And just like that, we made it, boys. Go get me some food, bro. I'm gonna get these pizza, probably something to drink too. Go home, make that pizza, and call it a night, bruh. So if you guys enjoyed, of course, like always, man, go ahead and drop a like on this video. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure you guys are subbing up. Check me out on Instagram, all that stuff, man. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.